Hey! Get, put the knife down! Put the knife down! Put the...
This is an incident that shook downtown Los Angeles on September 13, 2023. It started as a normal evening until police received multiple 911 calls reporting a man armed with a large kitchen knife behaving erratically and threatening those around him. Despite officers' efforts to peacefully resolve the situation, the suspect's aggressive behavior left them no choice but to take decisive action to protect everyone involved. Dispatchers received at least 2 urgent 911 calls describing the same man.
Hi, I want to report there's a crazy guy across the street from my house in the Korean church parking lot. He has something in his hand. I don't know what it is. It looks sharp, and he's threatening people that pass by.
Okay. Do you know that address, or can I use your address for a point of reference?
Witnesses reported seeing him wielding a large kitchen knife, acting unpredictably, and causing alarm in the neighborhood.
LA City 911, operator 966.
Hi, I'm just calling because we're a church and there is a person in a parking lot who vandalized a vehicle, and also we told him to go out and he was holding a knife.
Okay, is the guy black, white, Hispanic, or Asian?
He's Spanish.
Is he a homeless type, transient type?
He's Spanish.
The second witness described the exact same man, every detail matching the first caller's report.
All right, we'll send the police out, okay?
These calls prompted officers to respond quickly, fully aware of the potential danger awaiting them.
All right, you see that church parking lot? Yeah, that's where we're going. Get up there. The wall is also good cover. That is very good. Just park at the curb over there. We'll use the wall as cover. That's good. Park there. I want to get out of the car. I don't want to be in the car with a guy with a knife walking around. Stop. The wall's your cover. All right. Where is he?
I just saw him.
He's going that way?
That's the guy over there.
Where?
By the car.
I don't see him.
He's walking down that way.
North Bend? Okay. 2853, have A1 response southbound on New Hampshire. The witnesses are all indicating the subject's walking northbound on the east side line. Do you see him yet?
And I have another here on the line related to New Hampshire. She said the suspect just found her house. 12 South New Hampshire.
On my side? And you're trying on my side? Where? Oh, I see him.
Sorry, on the
2053, I didn't hear you. He's running south after the parking lot. He's off the fences.
He is Carlos DeAnda, a 36-year-old man whose erratic behavior that night would set off a chain of events ending in tragedy.
5-3, we need to back up. He rearmed himself with a knife.
And he was going to just walking back up here in his supervisor for with a knife. And I'm sure.
5-3, let's set up a containment perimeter. So I want a unit at Vermont and Pico, New Hampshire and Pico, Vermont and 12, and New Hampshire and 12. He's walking around in the parking lot still.
There's supposed to be a perimeter of Vermont and Pico, New Hampshire and Pico, and Vermont and New Hampshire and 12.
The fence is most jumpable over there. That's where he jumped it. So if you guys want to kind of cover that end, then you'll be close enough to run over here. But he can't get to us. I mean, we're safe in this. And just stick with your partner.
Okay. Okay, dime, ¿por qué no quieres vivir?
A police officer continuously tried to calm him down in Spanish.
Okay.
Okay, the units that are entering the gate do not go in the gate. We have them contained.
Units 16 nothing to the gate for 2053.
Okay, hey.
Yeah, whatever units at that gate, just cover the opening, but I don't want to approach them. There's a really big knife.
Párate ahí, hey. Hey. Hey, stand back. Hey, let's stand back. Hey, déjame hablar contigo.
There's a opening on the door side of the fence that you probably used to gain access to. What's that right in front of it?
Hey, ¿cómo te puedo llamar?
Yeah, what I'd really like to have is have a beanbag or a 40 at each of those openings in case he rushes one of those. Otherwise, it's pretty
Hey,
big.
necesito hablar contigo. Pero, hey, no te escucho.
Your job overhead. Your perimeter's good. What kind of crime we have?
5-3. So originally it's a vandalism, but I don't know if there's more because he has a really big knife, and we weren't able to tell if he was threatening people with it.
Ignoring the officer's warnings, he suddenly ran straight toward the police, forcing them to react immediately. And this happened.
Orange shorts, is that right?
Roger, he's got orange shorts. You see him running?
He's running right.
¡Para ahí! ¡No pares! ¡Hey! ¡Pon el cuchillo abajo! ¡Pon el cuchillo abajo! ¡Pon el cuchillo abajo! ¡Pon el cuchillo abajo! Shots fired, officer needs help.
They're going to have a hard time.
This was the knife Carlos DeAnda was carrying during the incident. Carlos DeAnda's actions reflected a severe mental health crisis. Ignoring commands and charging at police, he was likely in extreme fear and confusion, where rational thinking was overridden by instinct. His sudden aggression forced officers into a split-second decision to use deadly force. This tragic incident shows how quickly mental health crises can escalate and highlights the need for specialized police training. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more true crime stories.